Hi, Matt Buyer Organizing with Sort and Tame Your Paper Piles in 60 minutes. Are you overwhelmed with paper piling up and you don't know where to begin? As with other decluttering challenges, you have to prioritize to organize. Taming your paper pile in 60 minutes doesn't mean organizing files into systems or completing projects, but prioritizing makes those things possible. Here's what you need for fast taming. First, your number one organizing tool, a clear work surface. I'm guessing your desk is already cluttered, so a small folding table is great. Stackable banker boxes if there's a lot of paper to sort. Gallon-size Ziplocs for sub-sorting. Super sticky Post-its and a retractable Sharpie. And don't forget an empty trash bin and shred box. Finally, set a timer so you know you'll really do this in 60 minutes. Do not include a shredder, file folders, or a labeler. This process is all about speed, and these things will slow you down. With your tools ready, write just 3 Post-it notes: running, sitting, and sleeping. These represent stages, not categories. You've got your recycling and shred box for the dead files. I just shred anything with social security numbers and active account numbers. My address is public knowledge already. Now set the timer for 60 minutes and try to do the first part in 15 minutes. Clear all paper piles from your surfaces and floor and bring them to your decision table for a fast sort. Running files are action files, things you want to make a point of acting on. Sitting files are current files you just need to be able to find reliably. Sleeping files are archives over a year old that you are keeping just in case. It's so important that you sort fast. If you don't know it's garbage in a second, keep for now. It will get easier to assess shortly. If you're doing this slow, you're not doing this right. Remove the sorted boxes. Your table should be completely clear for the next sort. All paper belongs in one of those 4 stages. First, grab the sleeping files box and take just 10 minutes to sort them by year. That's it. Unless you are still filing your taxes from 2 years ago or more, all of these can be stored more remotely to free up space in your home office. Next, set the timer for 20 minutes and write on Post-it notes for the following categories: home, utilities, medical, transportation, banking, credit, investments, taxes. Then grab your sitting files box and sort by category. Again, fast. This video shows what I recommend for next steps with sitting files. Finally, put 15 minutes on the clock and create 3 Post-its and write urgent, soon, and eventually for the last box, running files. With the sleeping files stored more remotely and the sitting files isolated for filing, you can bring full focus to the most important files, the ones you want to make a point of acting on. These need prioritizing too, and these 3 Post-its make it really easy. If you must act on something today, it goes with urgent. In a few days, then it's soon. Later, or possibly not at all, goes with eventually. I talk about next steps for running files in this video. So while there's still some fine-tuning to do, you have got your piles tamed and in just 60 minutes. You've got clear floors and surfaces, and your next steps prioritized and manageable. Clients often ask me, shouldn't I just scan it all and go paperless? You could, but 2 things. 1, there is still a lot of time and effort involved with scanning. And 2, it's still helpful to sort these 4 basic stages of paper first. No sense scanning files you're going to toss or archive before tossing. So either way, you benefit from sorting and taming your files fast. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.